Hello guys, welcome to the Tech Tips Zone channel. In this video, we will discuss how to download and install the Windows 11 23S2 build for the release preview channel, which contains all the exciting features like Microsoft Copilot and more. Just open this official Windows blog on your PC. I will add a link in the description box and scroll down this page and click on the download ISO link. The link will redirect you to the official Microsoft Insider download page, and you will have to sign in with your official Microsoft account that you use on your PC to access the ISO download page. Just click on the sign in option and then sign in with your Microsoft account that you use for Windows Insider. After that, scroll down and then click on the select edition option. Click on the Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22631 for the release preview channel. Click on it to select it. After that, click on the select edition option, confirm button. Click on the product language option and choose English, United States. You can also choose another language if you want. Click on the 64-bit download option and an ISO file will begin downloading on your PC, which will be approximately 6 gigabytes in size. You can use this ISO file and flash it on your PC or try out this build in a Windows virtual machine. That's all for this video guys. Do like and share this video with the fellow Windows enthusiasts. Also subscribe to the Tech Tips Zone channel for more such Windows Insider details, build and troubleshooting guides.